In South Africa, the standard industrial power supply is typically 400 volts, 3-phase, 50 Hz. Most thermal paper slitting machines are designed to operate under this specification, so voltage compatibility is generally not an issue. However, the real challenge in South Africa is not the nominal voltage, it is power stability. Load shedding, scheduled outages, and sudden voltage fluctuations are common in many industrial areas. These conditions can affect machine performance if the electrical system is not properly configured. For stable operation in South Africa, we recommend the following. First, always use a 3-phase 400V power supply. High-speed slitting machines require stable torque and synchronized motor control, which single-phase systems cannot provide. Second, ensure that your transformer capacity is at least 20 to 30% higher than the rated power of the machine. For example, if the machine is rated at 15 kilowatts, a transformer of around 20 kVA or more is recommended. This provides sufficient margin during startup and peak load conditions. Third, consider surge protection and proper grounding. Sudden power restoration after load shedding can create voltage spikes, which may damage inverters and control systems if protection is insufficient. If your production is continuous and downtime is critical, a backup generator or stable alternative power solution should also be considered. In South Africa, stable electrical infrastructure is the foundation of consistent slitting quality and long-term machine reliability.